Alright, so now I gotta fix my garage. It broke. This whole time I've been in this house, I didn't know that it's supposed to have 2 springs up here on the garage. I only got one, and this one snapped. Check it out. So just like this one right here, it's supposed to be one on this side. So yeah, we finna get up here. I'm finna take this apart. I got the new ones in, I just ordered them. I know this is not a car vlog, but it's got to do with my cars because it's a garage. So yeah, I'm finna go get my ladder, crawl up here, start knocking this out, get this thing fixed. Yeah, let's do it. So now I got those handled. I got all this up here. I gotta take these bolts right here. Gotta bolt those up right there. And then I gotta wind the springs up, and then we'll see if it works.
What a beautiful day to live. What a beautiful day to live.
All right, I finally got this done several hours later and a boo-boo. Yeah, them springs, they ain't nothing to be playing with. Guess I didn't get it fixed.
What a beautiful day to live.
Who would have thought that a simple garage door would beat me up today? This up here been bumping the damn door the whole time. Hopefully I got it moved over enough and it works. Let's see. I just tried to show y'all a minute ago and it didn't close, so let's see what happens. It be the simplest shit sometimes. You just think this stuff's simple and it's fucking complicated. I feel real hard done. This shit beat me up today. I done took the damn 5 Series all apart. This shit didn't beat me up like that. This a garage door. Ain't none of this shit simple. They be lying to you in these tutorials. I reiterate, they be lying in these tutorials.